Welcome to another video. In this one, we'll show you how to assign company signatures to your document within Titan Sign itself. So the reason why we did this is some companies, they need a company signature. So here, I've got two signatures here in my document, and this one here, the opportunity owner, is actually going to be a company signature. So how do I assign it? It's very simple. Once you've got your field and you configured everything, what you want to do is you want to click on the signature. Under general, you've got something called company mode. When you've switched this on, what you'll find in your mapping, which is over here, this one, obviously with the color, you can see that this is OON, which is the opportunity owner. Once you go to edit this specific mapping, you will find there's additional fields over here, which is dot company name, dot reg number, and dot signature. And I'm going to go ahead and actually assign the fields here. So signature can be, I don't know, the ID. Company name is going to be account ID, cross-reference all the way to name. Reg number will be account ID, and then this one will be their account number. So let me get that for you. And then this one is going to, again, same thing, account ID, we will do account number. So essentially these become the signature field for your company. And how does it look? Well, a bit like this. Let's say I'm in the opportunity, this is where this document is configured. I take the ID, I'll go over here, click go. And go, oh, and once this document is loaded, obviously the data is going to come through fine, which is expected. But over here, what you'll find is this. Let's say Titan Limited is the company name, for example. Let's go ahead and sign it. Look what happens when I confirm. You can see it's stamped with the company name, the company number, and the number again. Like that. Obviously I can change that. I can change that to the account ID, but let's go ahead and do that because we don't want two places to be like that. So this one we can actually just name it to account ID. Like that. Now if I apply, save, go, again it's the same thing. So the document will load up, and once the document load up, we will automatically pull in those three fields that we just specified into the signature. It's very, very simple. So go ahead and sign, click confirm, and now you can see pulled in the name, the account ID, and the account number. And essentially that's what will be in the tracking log also. In fact, let's go ahead and see. I'm going to go over here. Going to go ahead and click sign. It's now going to go out to the two parties, and I'm going to bring this over for you shortly and show you how it works. So give me a second. Right, here's my first document. I'm just going to bring it over for you now. It's on my other screen. Whoops, that's not what I wanted. Copy link address. Let's paste it in here. So the first signee is obviously going to be the company, so it will be Titan Limited. And we'll use the new signature. Titan. So as you can see, it's stamped that. Click finish sign, and now it's going to go to the second signee. So we'll wait for that as well. And essentially once it's signed in, the other has signed it, it's going to go in there. So now I'm just going to go ahead and bring it from the second standpoint, so I'll show you what it looks like for the second signing. As you can see, the first signing is stamped there nicely. Second signing. Under, go ahead and finish sign, and now this document is signed, and it's going to push back to Salesforce. So let's go ahead and check our Salesforce. Right, so two things here. First is the contract. Getting a preview ready. I actually want to show you the tracking log more than the contract itself, so I'll just download it and I'll show you what it looks like. Right, so look, have a look in the tracking log here. It's got the signature and our company data in here, which is fine, like that. And then in the actual document, which is what we should see, let's just download this as well. In the document, obviously, it's got the company signature as expected. So that's it. That's all there is to it. Make sure, when you assign the signature, you switch on company mode, and then all your tracking log, everything will be pushed through as normal, and the signature will be stored directly within the files itself in the contract. And yeah, and this is how you do it.